Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Friday, February 18th. Let's find out what is on our number corner for the day. All right, as we look at our cards. Whoa! We have two rhombuses here. We have a rhombus A and rhombus B. They have 4 sides and 4 vertices. My question for you, All-Stars, are they congruent? Are they the same size? We know they're the same shape. Congruent means they have to be the same shape and the same size. Are they congruent? Ooh, no, they're not. Shape B is bigger than shape A. You're absolutely right. Very good. Very good, All-Stars. We're going to take that information and put it on our grid. Look what we've been doing so far this month. We've done a lot. So we have 2-18. And then we have our rhombus, 4 sides, 4 vertices. Shape A is not congruent to shape B. They were not the same size. It was the same shape, but not the same size. As we continue on our number corner, we are going to observe that we need to add more days in school. I get excited about this. Let's begin by first of all adding another day to our grid, and now we will have 103. 100, this whole thing, and I have to tell you this because you'll see it in just a moment. When we talk about this whole area being filled in to be 100, if we're using cubes, we call that a flat. So you're going to see something different in a few moments when we talk about different ways to make 103. You are now going to see, instead of having those 10 longs, we have 1 flat, which is equal to 100. I can put that number in there to remind you. This equals 100 cubes, 100 cubes. And today our number is 103, which means I am going to have to change this to 103, 10 longs, and 3 ones. So it's 100 plus 3 now. And that means 10 dimes, which is equal to 100, plus 3 pennies. And then I'm going to add 1 more cube to our collection. I know my cubes look weird, but I'm drawing on the computer, so trying my best. All right, All-Stars. What we are going to do now, it's a Friday, which means we need to collect more cubes and find out how much we've collected for the whole week. Let's spin our spinner. 8 cubes. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. So far we have, if we count everything we've done for the week, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. We have collected, dears, for this week, 43 cubes. So we're going to add that. For week 3, remember we're keeping track of these. That's the most we've collected this whole month. Week 3, we collected 43 cubes. Amazing, All-Stars. Amazing. There we go. Week 3, I'll put it down here. There's so much on here. Week 3, we collected 43 cubes. Fantastic. All right, All-Stars. What we're going to do now is this. I have a different activity for you. You know I always have different things for you. Today, I'd like you to pull out your math book. Again, this is the book that has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes. Blocks on the top and the person made of shapes. It says number corner on the top. If you need to pause the video to look for this book, please do that now. Give you a moment to do that. Once you get it, turn it to page 38. Turn it to page 38. And this is page 38. It's a hundreds chart, which we know a lot about. We've been using these quite a bit. Here's what I want to challenge you to do. And this is a fun activity. You get to color on this page, page 38, in a pattern. You might pick a pattern, and I'm going to give you an example. You might pick a pattern where you're coloring on this page and you're counting by 10. So you'll go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That was coloring in a pattern. I was counting by tens. We've talked about other patterns that you can color in as well. We've talked about counting in patterns of twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and keep going all the way down until you get to 100. We've talked about counting in patterns of fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and you can color in different patterns. I want you to identify a pattern that you're going to color in on this page. You might even pick more than one pattern. I know you will do an amazing job, All-Stars. Off you go.